Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe with the L72 427 rated at 425 horsepower with 37,000 miles restored. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And the seller comments were: one repaint in original color, certified car, no hit body, original miles, and it shows 37,000 miles, and it bid to $81,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice car. It looked like it had been restored to me, and probably should have got a little more money than that. But the 66 was the only year that they had the L72 427 engine, which is what this one has, rated at 425 horsepower. And they made 5,528 with that engine. That was the top engine for the Corvette. In next year in 67, they went to the L71 with the tri-power, and that was rated at 435 horsepower. But the L72 replaced the L78, which was in the 65 Corvette, which was a 396 rated at 425 horsepower. But that one only had 415 pounds-feet of torque. The L72 had 460 pounds-feet of torque. So it had a lot more power than the 65 one did, which that was only a one-year engine as well, the L78 in the Corvette. And as far as production numbers for 66, that was the best-selling year of the C2, second generation of the Corvette, which went from 63 to 67. They sold 27,720 Corvettes, 9,958 coupes, and 17,762 convertibles. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.